In this video, I will show you how you can fix Apple Maps direction not working problem on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Now if Location Services has been disabled, just enable it from here. After you enable Location Services, then from this list, just look for Apple Maps. Then just tap on it. Now if it is on Never, just select while using the app. And also enable Precise Location. After you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just go to the Connection section and make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. After that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just turn off airplane mode. And by doing this, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPhone. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then just go back to Settings, and in the main settings page, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh, then tap on Background App Refresh. Now if it is on Wi-Fi only or off, just select Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, just go back, and from this list, just look for Apple Maps. Now if this toggle is turned off, just enable this toggle. Now after you do that, then just go back to General Settings, and from here just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix the Apple Maps direction not working problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.